Hello my friends and welcome back. My name is Jonathan from 514. We want to give a quick update that workflows are now available in production. We have some amazing documentation that goes into detail what workflows are. You can find those at docs.getmoose.dev, but I'll do a quick recap. Essentially, workflows allow you to write TypeScript and Python code in Moose that define a series of tasks. Each task contains business logic that you want to execute on your data in order and in a reliable and maintainable way. The orchestration is backed by temporal. And in true 514 fashion, we take care of that infrastructure for you. So locally, this means we spin up a temporal Docker container, and in production, we deploy your project hooked up to temporal cloud automatically and securely. So let's go to the IDE and we can take a look at an example of a workflow. I have a couple of tasks and it doesn't do anything fancy, but you can add any custom logic in these task functions. These workflows can be triggered through a cron setting, so it runs at specific times, or you can define an API like I have done here on the right hand side. Maybe you've got a webhook that calls this API and all it has to do is call the Moose TypeScript library to start that workflow. Now I've committed my changes to GitHub and that automatically deploys to Boreal, which is our hosting platform. And it takes care of all the infrastructure for us, including this URL for the APIs. So we can actually go back to the IDE and run a curl command to trigger that workflow. Now we believe in a local first development here at 514, so you can actually look at temporal UI locally, which might look like this. We've got a list of workflow runs, and you can go into each workflow to help debug as you develop your workflow. And that's all there is to it. To recap, we made a workflow with some TypeScript code, deployed to Boreal, which happens automatically when you push your changes to GitHub, and triggered the workflow in production. As always, check out more of our videos linked in the end screen and description, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. See ya.